Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a DoorDash delivery account, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. First things first, guys, you cannot become a dasher from the normal DoorDash app or website. Okay, you need to visit this website, dasher.doordash.com. This is what you want to visit, okay? This is the Dasher sign up website. And you just want to create an account here. You're going to click sign up and create an account. And you want to submit the requested information that they request with you. You're gonna have to put in your postal code, things like that. Your name, your social security number, your address, all that details. And also, what they're also gonna be doing is you're gonna have to consent at the end to a motor vehicle and a background check, guys. You're gonna have to consent to all of that, and you're gonna be eligible to use the DoorDash platform after you pass the motor vehicle and a background check, guys. So it's actually that easy and simple. Oh yeah, that's all you have to do. So here, they also give you the requirements, guys. So you need to be over 18 years old, okay? And these are the ones where you need to be 19, these states. And here, you need to have a vehicle, okay? In select cities, it'll allow you to have bicycles, but usually you need to at least have a car, scooter, and you need documentation like a driving license, other form of ID. Okay, but if you use other form of ID, that's only if you're using only a bicycle. That is okay. Otherwise, you need a driving license. Fortunately, I told you need to put your social security number for a background check. Okay, so it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if it helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, of course, you can subscribe.